This hair's driving me crazy. I gotta call Alex. I got this business meeting tomorrow and the party. Hey Alex.
Yo, what's up, Peter?
Hey man, I'm in a time crunch. I got this business meeting tomorrow and I got a party right after. But you know, I wanna look good for both. So is there anything you could think of? I can't really think of anything with this hair, but if you could help me out.
Alright, so he said he had a business meeting and then a party right after. Business and party. Huh. Yeah, bro, I got the perfect idea for you.
You can? Perfect, man. I'll see you soon.
What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to another video where I go ahead and cut one of my friend's hair. You guys already read the title. I'm gonna be giving my man Peter over here a mullet haircut. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end to find out how it ended up looking. So for this mullet, I'm going to be going up about 2 to 3 inches right by the temple using the number 3 guard lever open and pretty much just giving him like a taper on both sides of his head.
Instinct.
So now that the bulk has been removed using the number 3 guard, I'm going in with the thinning shears to blend in the hair by the part line and then right behind the ear.
Instinct.
So now using these $70 wall trimmers that I have, I'm going to be going in and cleaning up my friend's hairline. Now, don't go roasting me in the comment section. He wanted to go all the way up into pretty much his hairline. You know, I didn't want to do it originally, but this is how he does it. Don't think it's like a pushback or anything crazy like that because he asked for this. So I had to do exactly what he wanted. And so hopefully, you know, you guys don't roast me too hard in the comments. Alright, so now to move on to the hair on top, giving him that business look in the front, party in the back, I'm going to be cutting around 2 to 3 inches off the top of his head and then really blending everything into the back where the length is. So to give you guys a quick tip, when it comes to cutting your own hair or somebody else's hair on the top of the head, make sure you section off horizontally and then you go ahead and cut vertically as well, just to make sure that the hair is all around even. So to style this mullet, I'm gonna be using a high hold pomade to slick everything from the front to the back, really giving it that business in the front, party in the back look.
Instinct. Instinct.
And so here is the final result for the mullet haircut. This was the first time I've ever done anything like this, so let me know in the comment section down below what you thought. If you liked it or if you didn't like it, let me know down below what your thoughts are. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video to choose which outfit you think Peter should wear to this party. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on the post notifications as well, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!
Instinct.
Choose your character.
Instinct.
Hey yo, who that? Oh shoot!
Man, this hair's driving me nuts already. I don't want to say nuts. I can say nuts? Alright, so. Whoa!
No, it's fine. Dude, trust me, I'm the same way.
Alright.
When I think my videos.
Alright.